welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Vibhu and today I'm gonna share my tips and tricks how to get longer and voluminous lashes without using any falsies with only mascara. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will mean the absolute world to me. So before any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first step, if you have straight lashes, like absolutely straight lashes, then always start with a lash curler. If you can see, my lashes are already curled, but still I'm gonna show you how you can curl your lashes if your lashes are straight. And curling your lashes is gonna give you that lift and a start to get a longer lashes. So just open your lash curler and take all the lashes like this and just see you are not tugging or pulling this eye skin, and just press it like that. You can see a little bit of difference. These lashes are a little lifted up. So now let's start with the mascara application. I'm gonna use this mascara. This one is actually a brand called Golden Rose. This is not from here, but whenever you are using your mascara, just take out your wand and clean it. Remove all the excess product. That's how you have to use your mascara wand. Now when you are applying, I have seen a lot of people applying their mascara just on the tips of lashes. That's not gonna give you any result. And I mean, whatever mascara you are using, महंगे से महंगा भी, is not gonna give you any result. So the right way of application is take your mascara wand and start from the bottom of your lashes and then wiggle it up till the top of your lashes. Let me show you how to do it. From the bottom I'm wiggling and then I'm taking it till the end. Can you see? So that's how you apply the mascara on your lashes. And on the inner corner, just go from this front part of your mascara wand and just separate the lashes like that. If you have eyeshadow on the top of your lashes, just clean it up like that. As you can see here, I don't like this spider lashes, so there is a little clump made over here. Take a spoolie and I'm gonna clean it up. Now I'm gonna coat my lashes second time before the first coat gets dried up. This was the second coat. I usually don't go above this 2 coats, but you can go up to like 3 or 4 coats of mascara, but you have to make sure that your previous coat needs to be a little wet. Then only you will be able to coat your mascara. If it's dry, then you will not be able to move your lashes at all. And don't worry about the mascara application over here. Once it will dry up, you can easily remove it just with the Q-tip or from the back of your brush. And let's move on to the lower lashes. On lower lashes as well, you have to peel the mascara wand and then apply the mascara like this. The inner corner of your eyes, just take the front part of the mascara wand and just coat the lashes like this. Now you can clearly see the difference between both the eyes. It opens up your lashes and also it looks like you have applied falsies without even using falsies. Now to remove this, it's already dried up. You just have to pick up like this. Quickly apply the mascara on the left eye. So that was the lengthening part of the mascara. To get volume, you don't need a separate mascara for that. If you have only lengthening mascara, that is enough for you. For volume, what you have to do is just take a black kajal and start tight lining the upper lash line like this. Take your time. I know it's little scary, but if you get your hands on it, this is gonna be, a life changer for your eye. So now I have tight lined the upper lash line of my right eye, and you can see the difference. This eye is looking much fuller. The upper lash line is looking fuller, and you can't see skin between the lashes. That's how the lashes look more fuller. Let me do the same thing with the other eye as well. So yeah, I've done with both the eyes. One step what I like to do is, when my mascara is all dried up, I like to give a little push to my lashes so they look more curled and more lifted like this. This is what you have to do. Now you can compare the before and after, and no one can make out that you're not wearing falsies, just wearing mascara. Your lashes are looking longer and they have volume as well. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned lots of new tips and tricks. Do let me know in the comment section if you try these tips and tricks and they work for you as well. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.